Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you are here for today's video because it is time for another crafty tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys another super fun and easy Halloween craft. You may notice the adorable little ghosty garland behind me at my coffee bar. Well, that is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So if you're ready to see how I made this, then keep watching. Alright you guys, so first I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut the trim off of our flour sack towel. Okay, and then I'm going to be cutting about 5 to 7 inch squares depending on how big and flowy you want your ghost to be. Mine are going to be about 6 inches. Alright, and now we are going to prep our little ghost forms to actually make our ghost. So I found this pack of small 1.5 inch styrofoam balls at the thrift store for $1. So I went ahead and snagged these there. So definitely check out your local thrift stores for craft supplies also. But you can also find these at Dollar Tree, Walmart, and any other craft store like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Okay, and each styrofoam ball is going to be getting 3 skewers, but I'm going to be breaking my skewers in half because they don't need to be this tall. So I'm just going to be taking them and basically kind of making like a tripod, or just like attaching some legs so that it can stand up by itself, like so. Alright, now for our mixture. So I just have a like cheap little bowl that I'm not worried about ruining. I use it for all kinds of crafts I got from the Dollar Tree. I have a little bit of water in there and I'm going to pour some Mod Podge into it and mix it up thoroughly. I don't know, I'd say I poured about half of that Mod Podge container. And even though it looks pretty liquidy and it kind of has like a milky consistency, it's still going to dry okay. So this is fine. And now for the messy part. And make sure if you're doing this on a surface that you cover it with something so that you have an easy cleanup later. I just have this really cheap like laminate vinyl on top of this, so it's really easy to wipe down and I'm not worried about ruining it at all. So I'm just gonna set up my little ghosties here, and then we're just going to dip our cloth into that mixture and kind of squeeze out the excess and then just drape it over our styrofoam balls here. Okay, just like that. And now I'm just going to set this aside and we're going to let this dry for about 24 hours. So I'm just going to keep repeating that process until we have all of our ghosties done. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna let these dry for about 24 hours until they are completely dry and hardened. All right, y'all, so it is the next day and all of our little ghosties are completely cured and hardened. So we are just going to pull out the skewers, and I am leaving these styrofoam balls in there because I think it will help keep the form and shape of our little ghosts. So I'm just gonna pull all these out, and then we're gonna go back and draw on all of the little ghost eyes. So I just have a regular black Sharpie, and I'm just going to draw on all of our little eyes. You could also use black felt if you wanted to, or buttons. I just think this will be the easiest, and it still looks cute. Look how cute. And you could draw on the little mouth if you wanted to, but I think they're cute without. So I'm just going to be drawing on the eyes. All right, y'all, so now that we have all of our little eyes drawn on our ghosties, now we are going to take some string, whatever type of string you're wanting to use for your garland. I got this string at the Dollar Tree, and I have a long sewing needle, and I'm just going to thread this through and tie a knot so that we can thread it through all of the ghosts. Okay, so I've threaded the string through our needle and tied a little knot. And on this end, I'm going to tie a loop and a little knot so there's a little place to hang our garland on each end, and we'll do the same thing on the other side once we're done. Okay, so now I have the little loop here. Okay, so now we are going to take our ghost and we are going to thread this needle in the side of it, basically in its head, through it. And then we are going to be threading on our beads in between each ghost. And I got this bag of beads off of Amazon, and it was fairly cheap, and I think it's like a pack of like 400 black wooden beads. Okay, so our first ghost is on our string. So now I'm just going to put on some black beads before we put on another ghost. And I'm gonna do 6 beads in between each ghost. We are done. So stinking cute. Alright y'all, well that is where I'm gonna leave you guys today. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you're watching this video but you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I would greatly appreciate the follow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.